Major chunk of the money in Odisha from music, yes, comes from YouTube first. Can you guess the second revenue generating stream?
No, tell me.
It's caller ringback tunes. And surprisingly, I failed in everything else but music. That is something that has been a constant since I was born. I tend to bring in the audio visual experiences of things instead of just playing music to people, because that's how you consume music as well. You see a music video and you hear the song and it kind of strikes a chord in your brain. What my mother used to do is turn on the tape recorder and I would just go silent, or turn on the television and I would just go silent. I used to respond and I would reach out to the source of music or the video that is playing.
Any music that I have is basically school prayers, right?
Exactly.
अब school prayer ही तो गीत बजाते हैं, right?
Exactly.